Hey guys, and last but not least, I'm doing an e.l.f. haul. Basically, so I got a box. I'm gonna open it up. Nice that you can just rip it off like this, because some boxes you have to actually have scissors and stuff. I guess this you don't really have to have scissors because you can just open it on your own. Ooh, nice how they make it easy. So I have some things in here. I think there was some free items with it, but let me just take the items out. Yeah, no, full box. And I got an eyelid primer. I got concealer, just generally to, under eyes and stuff. And then the last thing that I ordered was a palette that I thought looked really cute. Maddie eyeshadow palette. They call it Jewel Pop. I liked the colors that were in it, so that's why I got that. And I did get something for a friend that's also on this, but I'm not going to share that because she hasn't received it yet. And then because I spent over a certain amount, they gave me some free things. So they gave me this gloss. They gave me an eyeshadow, and they gave me a natural glow stick. So yeah, I guess it was nice to get some freebies from it. Yeah, now I'm pretty much all set, and I'm gonna start doing my own makeup, but the next video is going to be a rewind, so watch out for that. Yeah. Love you guys. Bye.